Good news for PhilHealth members because they can now enjoy enhanced healthcare services as the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation has officially lifted its 45-day benefit limit rule. This move ensures that patients, especially those battling serious illnesses or chronic conditions, can continue receiving the medical care they need without restrictions. Even better, this policy update applies to all medical conditions and diseases, offering broader health care coverage for all members.
Inalis na ng PhilHealth ang 45-day benefit limit para matiyak na ang mga serbisyo ng ahensya ay mananatiling walang hadlang. Ayon sa pamunuan ng PhilHealth, maraming mga serbisyo ang kinakailangan ng higit 45 days na coverage, gaya nga lamang ng hemodialysis.
Lahat ng tinatawag na case rates, nasa mga 9,000 conditions po yun. Wala na po talagang 45-day limit. Uniform po yung application yan. Pati yung mga special package, yung mga tinatawag na Z-benefits, wala na ring 45-day benefit limit. Ikaw ba ay Pilipino? Ikaw ba ay miyembro? At dahil sa ating Universal Healthcare Act, lahat ng Pilipino ay miyembro ng PhilHealth. Lahat po covered and eligible.